Did you know that there's one powerful herb that can help clean, heal, and protect your liver? One herb that has been trusted for centuries to support liver health and combat these threats. Stick around, because today we're uncovering the number one herb that could change everything for your liver health. Our liver is more than just an organ. It's our body's main defense. It works non-stop to filter out toxins, produce essential nutrients, and regulate metabolism. Unfortunately, many people believe that liver problems only come from heavy drinking or being overweight, but that's not the whole truth. With the increasing consumption of processed foods, rising pollution, and everyday stress, your liver is constantly under attack. Yes, in fact, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease affects about 25% of the global population, and it can impact anyone, including women. Understanding how to support your liver health is essential for a healthier life. So what is this one herb that clean, heal, and protect your liver? This powerful herb has been used for over 2,000 years, dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. It was traditionally used to treat liver ailments, gallbladder disorders, and even to promote lactation in nursing mothers. It's the milk thistle. One of the most renowned herbs for healing, cleansing, and protecting the liver is milk thistle. Its active compound silymarin has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that support liver health. So, what exactly does milk thistle do for your liver? Let's break it down. 1. Promotes liver regeneration. First up, it helps promote liver regeneration. Silymarin supports the repair of liver cells and stimulates the production of new ones. This is especially beneficial if your liver has been damaged due to toxins or unhealthy lifestyle choices. 2. Detoxifies the liver. Next, it detoxifies the liver. Milk thistle helps eliminate harmful substances from the body, including alcohol and environmental toxins. It's like a cleanse for your liver. It also helps increase the production of glutathione, a crucial antioxidant for detoxification. 3. Support for alcohol-related liver damage. Studies indicate that milk thistle can help protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol consumption. It may reduce the risk of alcoholic liver disease and support recovery in those who have struggled with alcohol abuse. 4. Reduces inflammation. And finally, it reduces inflammation. Research suggests that silymarin has significant anti-inflammatory effects that help calm liver inflammation, which is crucial for those suffering from liver conditions. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate milk thistle daily into your routine. Milk thistle can be consumed in various forms to support liver cleansing and healing. But first, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more health topics like this. Here are some common methods. Capsules or tablets. These are convenient and widely available. Follow the dosage instructions on the packaging or as recommended by your healthcare provider. Tea. You can make milk thistle tea using the seeds or leaves. Steep 1 teaspoon of crushed seeds in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. Powder. Milk thistle powder can be added to smoothies, juices, or sprinkled on food. Start with a small amount, like 1/2 teaspoon, and gradually increase as needed. Liquid extract. Add the recommended number of drops to water or tea. This form is quickly absorbed and easy to adjust the dosage. Raw seeds. You can eat the seeds directly, but they are quite hard. Grinding them into a powder makes them easier to consume.